To install Eclipse IDE, you have to open any browser and search for Eclipse IDE download. Then you can see the Eclipse IDE official website. Just click on the search result. Then you can click on download button to download Eclipse IDE, or you can click on Eclipse IDE in menu bar option. Then click on latest release. Now you will see the Eclipse installer download options. This is for macOS installer file and this is for Linux. But we need to download the Eclipse installer for Windows. So just click on here. Then this web page will open, and here just click on download button to download Eclipse. This download process may take few minutes, so please wait for it. Here I want to request you, before completing the download process, please subscribe to this channel to support my work. After the download is complete, open your download folder in your file explorer. Inside the download folder, you will see the Eclipse installer file. Now double click on it. Here our installer pop-up is opening. After opening the installation pop-up, there are different options for different purposes. For example, if you want to use C or C++ in Eclipse, then you may choose this option. If you want to use PHP or web development, then you can try this option or this option. But we will use Eclipse IDE for Java development. So I choose Eclipse IDE for Java developers option. In this pop-up, it is saying that Java JDK 23 will be installed in this installation folder. Do not change anything, just click on install button. Now our installation has started. Just wait a few seconds to complete the installation process. Now as you see, our installation process is completed, and just click on launch. Here click on use this as default and do not ask again. Then click on launch. Now our Eclipse is opening. After opening Eclipse, you may get this pop-up from Microsoft Defender. But choose the first option and click on proceed. So you can see our Eclipse installed successfully for Java. Now click on file, then provide a name for our Java project. I will give it demo. Now just click on finish. Here is our project folder is created. Right click on it and choose class. Then provide a name for the class. Now click on public static void main and click on finish. Here our class is created and we will print something here. System.out.println. Please like this video. Then run this code. Here we have successfully printed our argument. So guys, I hope this video helps you a lot.